How to check sent requests on Instagram. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check sent requests on Instagram. First of all, you have to open the app, Instagram. Just search Instagram in your cell phone and just do what I did. And when you are in the app, you can see the heart button on the top right. And when you see follow requests, that is the same as send requests on Facebook and many more apps. So in Instagram, it usually says follow request, but usually said also that it is a send request. So when you followed each other, that is where you are friends with that person. But if you just followed her and she did not follow you, you will not be friends. And that's it.